Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna create this evening makeup look for Diwali. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So as you guys know, I always start with a moisturizer and a primer. So today I'm gonna use this as my primer, and this is very good and it has skin benefits as well. So yeah, I really like this product a lot. So today I'm gonna start off with my eyes and then I will move on to my base. Here I'm using an eyeshadow primer. Now if you want, you can use any concealer as well, they work kinda similar, so yeah. Then I used a little bit of loose powder to set my shadow base. For my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Iconic Vivo palette. So first I'm taking this shade and using it as my transition color. Once that is done, I'm taking this shade and applying it on my crease, and as you can see I'm focusing more into my crease, and that's how your eyes will look more structured. Then I took the same brush that I have used before for my transition shade and I'm just blending everything all together. Next I'm taking this brown shade and I'm just focusing on my outer corner, and with the help of this brown shade I'm just intensifying my outer crease and my outer corner at the same time. Remember guys, blending is the key, so just blend, and I'm just deepening up my outer corner and my crease. And for my lid color, I'm taking this beautiful shade and applying it with my finger, and I always prefer using my finger when it comes to shimmery eyeshadows, and I love how it's looking on my eyes. Next I'm gonna take this shade and applying it on my outer corner. Here I'm just blending everything so that the brown shade and the lid shade marries together and looks perfect. Next I'm using a liquid eyeshadow to get some extra oomph to my eyes. And you guys, this is Diwali, so take out all of your shimmers and glitters because this is the perfect time for using those shimmery glittery shades. To make it look seamless, I'm just blending everything in. Now it's time for my base, and today I'm gonna use a full coverage foundation because it's Diwali and you wanna look all flawless, dolled up, and you wanna hide all of your imperfections. And I felt this foundation is perfect for that. And guys, this is matte, okay? This foundation is super duper matte. Next I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer to conceal my under eyes, hide my dark circles, and to brighten up my face a little bit. And to set everything on place, I'm using my trusty Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Now this powder is hands down my favorite of all time. This and the translucent one, both are my favorite. Moving on to my brows, and with the help of this powder, I'm just filling them in. And I'm using a clear brow gel to set my brows on place for all day. Moving on to my eyes, I'm just using all of those shades that I've used on my upper lid. I'm just mimicking that to my bottom lash line, nothing too much. After that is done, I'm just curling my lashes and applying a volumizing mascara to amp up my lashes. Now I don't use falsies. If you want, you can use it, of course. After that, I'm using a black Kohl Kajal. This one is from Plum, and I'm just tightlining my eyes. After a long time, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour palette today, and this palette is quite similar to the NYX Contour palette. I have used that a lot in my channel, but not this one, but this one is also very nice. And I'm just bronzing up my face, contouring my nose. Then I took this banana shade from this palette and just cleaning up my contour a little bit. I'm not going to use any blush anyway, and moving on to the highlighter. So I'm taking these two shades from the Sugar palette and applying them on the highest points of my face. This palette is very good for medium to dusky skin people because the shades are apt for Indian skin tone. Finishing up with the Nykaa Demi Matte lipstick in the shade Basic. Now this one is not matte, this is very comfortable to wear and I really like this shade, so yeah. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on that notification bell so that every time I upload you will get notified. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.